What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Welcome back to the channel. And today, guys, we're pulling out the Trailblazer from his grave. So y'all stay tuned, because it's gonna be a great day today, guys. All right, guys, so we finally, god damn, airplane, bro, every time. But we're finally digging out the Trailblazer from his grave. I got the strap ready. It's already in neutral. My girl's about to back up the Tahoe, and we're finally getting her out, guys. Finally. It's been a long time, but we need to get this done. We're gonna get this started, and I'm trying to get this done by Christmas. I don't know how possible that's gonna be. I still got a whole month, but we're gonna find out, guys. So we're gonna get this pulled out, and then we're gonna go through the interior, guys. I got a lot of mess in there, and we're gonna see if we could start doing a little bit to it, see what happens. My girl's in the Tahoe. I got two flats on the Tahoe, guys, both back tires. Ain't shit. I'm gonna buy some new ones, but let's see how this goes. I don't know. I don't got my stand. I don't got anything on me, anybody to record for me, so we're just gonna wing it, guys, and I'm gonna show y'all once the truck's pretty much over there parked. All right, guys, so we ended up going to the gas station, and we picked up some gas. I already put it in there, like a gallon. It ain't much, but I was gonna try to start it and mess with it, but I really don't got many tools, guys, so she's just gonna be parked there for the next couple of days. I can't push her. Yeah, I can't push her all the way back, guys, by myself. You can see this, it's stuck like right there, and I gotta get it over that little hump right there, and I can't do it by myself, and me and my girl are not strong enough to push her all the way back, but at least she's out from where she was. Look at her, she was already digging in, guys. She was already digging in. So we're gonna continue this video tomorrow, guys, actually. Yeah, guys, we're gonna continue this video tomorrow, and we're gonna see what is next on the truck. I really want to get this truck running before Christmas, guys, because my channel is gonna take a completely turn, guys, coming up this year. I'm gonna focus a little bit more on other stuff than just the rides, and I'm gonna be talking about that in a little bit, guys, probably in the next video or so. But y'all stay tuned. The Trailblazer ain't going nowhere. The Tahoe ain't going nowhere. We're planning something else, guys, and hopefully y'all can ride along with us and enjoy. But I'll catch y'all tomorrow. And we're back, guys, actually the next day, and we're actually trying to clean out the Trailblazer, guys. That's gonna be the first step, cleaning out the Trailblazer. For y'all that are new to the channel, and y'all haven't really seen much of the Trailblazer, I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and explain what's going on with the Trailblazer, how far we got along with the Trailblazer, all the small details. And if you have any questions, any comments, you know, put them down in the comment section, and you know, I'll be more than glad to answer any kind of questions that that y'all guys have. But let me go ahead and show y'all the truck, and we're gonna go from there. So what we got right here, guys, is a 2002 Chevy Trailblazer. She was originally blue, and I got tired of the blue, I ain't gonna lie. After I put the bumpers, these are actually my second set of bumpers. My first ones, you know, the back one was black, the front one was white, the truck was blue, and I said fuck it, and I rattle cammed her. She came out pretty good. Like right now she's real dirty. She hasn't been washed probably over 6 months. But if y'all been here since the beginning, guys, this is what started the channel, guys. The Trailblazer, and it came a long way, but look at her, guys. She's all messy. It's more like a storage space right now, because if y'all go back in my videos, I actually had a small shop, storage, warehouse, whatever y'all want to call it, and we had a little problem with the landlord there, and we decided to leave, and I kind of wanted to wait a little bit longer to get something else, to jump into another place, to jump into another spot. So I was like, fuck it, I put everything in the Blazer, all my tools, all my stuff that I had extra, and it's just been like this ever since, guys. But we're trying to get this truck on and running, back on the road, make some more videos and all this good stuff, guys. So we're actually gonna be clearing out the whole truck, because I can't do nothing with all these stuff just piling up everywhere. As y'all can see, every door is piled up with mess, junk, and we're gonna get that settled, taken care of today. A lot of this stuff is going to the trash. A lot of this stuff, I'm gonna store, see what I need to keep, see what I can throw away. But that's the plan for today. That's the plan for right now. We're gonna get this truck situated. We're gonna put the dash bezel back on. I'm gonna throw the grill back on. The grill's right here. I got another grill, the LTC grill, if anybody's interested in that. I got a 3-piece window that I don't even know what it belongs to. A guy sold it to me, and he pretty much lied about what it fit. He told me it fits a Chevy. It's not even for a Chevy, it's for like a Dodge or something. But yeah, guys, this is my 2002 Trailblazer. It was originally a V6, and we put a 5.3 in it with a 4060, and she ran for a little bit, guys. She was running good, and then all of a sudden started having a lot of problems with it, and it didn't want to start no more. It started backfiring and all this stuff. But this right here, guys, is actually 5.3 aluminum block off another Trailblazer. And if y'all go back on my videos, y'all can find the process of swapping this motor in and all the stuff that I went through. But we're gonna get to it, guys. We're gonna get to it, guys, and we're gonna get this shit handled right now. I got the trash can for whatever trash we need to throw away, and we're gonna try to get this done today, because I'm trying to get this thing running. So let's get on it. Let's do this, and we'll see. All right, guys. Short update. She's looking a lot better. I started organizing some of the stuff already, and look at all the stuff we had in there, guys. We had that window that I don't know what it's for, some extra mirrors, the OTC Trailblazer grill, some leaf springs with stock shacks, or like the main leaf spring, extra steering wheel, extra lights, the grill, a bunch of stuff that I don't even know where the fuck it came from, all my floor mats, and a bunch of trash. The trunk is looking a little bit better, guys. Actually, all these parts right here, guys, all of this, it's intake box, the tip for the truck is gonna go right there, the airbag for the steering wheel, just little stuff that belongs to the truck, and I don't want to take upstairs or nothing like that. So we're gonna keep on organizing all this stuff, guys, and I'm gonna give you an update in a bit. I got the toolbox over here already set and ready. The seats are already back up. Man, I messed up these seats real bad already, man. I ain't gonna lie. When I got these seats, guys, and these door panels, all of these door panels are of 08 LTZ Trailblazer. They were mid condition, guys, but you know, I did the interior first, then I did the swap. As I could tell, the dash is a little bit darker than the door panels, but ain't no biggie, guys, because we're gonna redo the whole interior again, and we're gonna do the whole black interior, the whole SS interior pretty soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But we're gonna keep on rolling, guys. We're gonna get all this stuff right here in this floor board right here. We're gonna get all this stuff situated. Most of this stuff is trash, you know, old intake box, just trash, pretty much. Clean out the door panel, all this fucking paper that's been here for years that I'm pretty sure is trash. Check the glove box. There's nothing in the glove box. That's good. If y'all don't know, guys, I actually had the manual AC control, and that's why I ended up switching out the whole dash, because I wanted everything digital. You know, a little bit more luxury, a little bit more fancy, but we're gonna get it done, guys. We're gonna get it done, and hopefully y'all enjoying this. I know it's not much, but she's gonna get there, guys. She's gonna get there. Alright, guys, as y'all seen, I got the Trailblazer running, and man, y'all not gonna believe what was wrong with it, guys, but you're gonna have to stay tuned to the next video, guys. I'm gonna explain everything. It was an easy fix, and I feel stupid, but y'all gonna have to wait for the next video, guys. I want to take a second, guys, and thank everybody, and you know, I appreciate all of y'all, guys. A while back I had posted I'm still here, I'm still alive. You know, I was in a car accident, and a lot of y'all reached out and you know said prayers and keep your head up and all this, and man, that shows a lot, guys. I appreciate that. Y'all really don't understand how much that means to me. I have no words, guys. I have no words. That shows a lot, and I appreciate that, guys. And I also wanted to let y'all guys know that if it wasn't for y'all, guys, I wouldn't have finished the Trailblazer on the cool. You know, if y'all follow me on Facebook and follow me on Instagram, y'all should know. So if you don't know, go check it out. I'm gonna put my links down below. And I also wanna take a second, guys, and let y'all know, guys, that all these things that I do, guys, like all the truck stuff that I do, like if I'm doing something to the truck, if I wanna get something done to the truck, you know, I usually do it myself. I know everything, guys. I know, you know, I've done it all. From drops to lifts, to motor swaps, to engine swaps, to swaps on old cars, on swaps on new cars, you know, cam swaps. You know, the only thing I don't fuck with, I had never ever got the chance of, you know, learning how to build a transmission, and I don't know, I think that's too much technical stuff. But yeah, guys, all that stuff that I do to the trucks, you know, I usually do it myself. I try not to go to shops. I try not to go to nobody. I usually do everything in-house, and with these hands, you know. And I'm not like other people, guys. I do not have the money. I do not have money just to throw at a shop and say, here's my truck, build it for me. No, I don't. And a lot of guys have been asking me, hey man, how come you don't take your truck over here? Hey man, how come you don't take your truck over there? And it's because I don't have the money, guys. I don't have it like that. And maybe one day I'll get there. And even if I do get there, to have money to throw like that, I don't think I will take it anyways. I like to be hands-on. I enjoy working on my own stuff, and I like selling, you know, building a truck and selling it and saying, you know, watching it down the street and say, damn, I built that hoe, I built that truck. And you know, a lot of people can't say that. A lot of people just go and, you know, yeah, I put it together, but somebody else built it for me, and I can say I put it together, I built it, and I'm gonna tell you the truth, guys. I've been getting bashed on a little bit, and that's why I'm letting y'all know that I do everything myself. And if you don't like it, hey, oh well, guys, go ahead, you know, unsubscribe, go somewhere else. It's not gonna hurt me. You know, I'm still here. I'm still gonna keep on doing what I do. And with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave y'all with this. God is good. Keep pushing, guys, and don't give up. Don't give up, guys. Just keep on pushing. Stay cool, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one.